Oh, what is going on, people? Ground Squatch here. It is snowing again. It had all melted away, and now it is all back. Crazy stuff, man. Yeah, really weren't expecting all this snow. It's insane. We got the kids over here playing. They're throwing snowballs at each other. Oh, but yeah, freaking snowing again. Oh, freaking crazy. Anyways, you guys, it's snowing here in California. You guys take it easy. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Ground Squatch out. Later.